Okay, go.
Hi guys.
Hi.
My name is Xavi and this is my little brother Thiago. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this spider burger and its spider web. So first you're going to take a black bun, or you can take any kind of bun you find, a burger bun. And then you can take some meat, make a tongue out of it. You can also just do this. And then you can use, and then I use French fries.
Don't forget to put some tomato.
Put the tomatoes in the middle of both of the meats if you have two meats.
1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 1.
And then you put four legs on each side. You can use French fries. For me, French fries are the easiest. Oh no. Also take the longest French fries you can see, because it's better.
Ew.
And now do it on the other side.
It looks like it's like.
You can put the legs. Don't forget to choose the long one.
Is this a
That's
long
what
one?
I said.
So how many legs do you need?
We need 8 French fries on it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
The other side? For the other side.
Cool. This
Yes.
is super long.
Yeah, it's okay.
1.
You have to choose the long ones, Thiago. Okay?
Okay. This is a long one. 2. Huh? This is short.
It's okay. It's okay.
4, 3, 4. E.
Do you want to put the eyes?
Yes. We just stab.
You can use
Front here.
toothpicks
Here?
and the
Yes.
thingy.
Go ahead, try.
Ow! You have to stab it in like the center, like there's gonna be like a green thingy.
But it's not very
Good.
hard.
Good enough.
It is hard.
I wish I'd stop doing this. Ah! That's so creepy.
And then here I'm going to do the second eye.
4 eyes? Can I have 4 eyes?
Of course. Go ahead.
Then you can do anything. I didn't forget.
Okay.
I already set this up. All you have to do is get some ketchup and put it in a circle like this. Then you're going to make a toothpick,
Smudge.
like kind of a
Whoa!
smudge it.
Now this looks like
Like
a 4-eye spider. 4-eye spider.
you gotta make sure it
I spider.
You
My
do it
little
fast
eye
so that
something that starts with a letter.
turns more like a spider web.
Can't. We don't need noses.
Do you want to
Spiders
put
don't have
those?
noses.
Yeah.
You can put some
Weird.
teeth.
Spiders don't have noses.
Wait, no. Wait, that's the back.
But the eyes are over here.
No, but there's a ton over here.
Mom versus baby. Who do you think will win?
Oh, that is so beautiful, Xavi.
Mommy,
Okay.
you're putting the teeth in the wrong direction.
But you're gonna have to use
Okay.
toothpicks
Okay, go
for
fix
it.
it then.
We kind of bought too much toothpicks for that. I don't think you'll need that much, but this is how you make it. You can put it on the tray if you want.
Let's break
You
it.
can put it on the plate
Break
where the
it.
spiders, but I put it on the plate like this.
Want to put some eyes with tomato?
No, it's okay.
You can use different
I want
eyes.
another eye.
I just put
And
sticks.
want
You
another
can also use
teeth.
You
I
can
want
also
more
use some
teeth.
cheese over there. You can use some cheese too for the eyes. Cut it into a circle. If you have cookie cutters in circles, you can just put them on the burger and then put sauce in the middle for the eye pupils.
It's another teeth.
But we did it this way.
Okay.
Teeth.
Okay. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.